Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Dallas ISD Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Dallas ISD Payroll login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to dallasisd.org/domain. It will then take you to the official website of Dallas. There, scroll down a little bit and click to login. Then again click to Team Dallas ISD login. Then it will redirect you to a login page. Once the page has been loaded up completely, enter your username. Then click to go. Then enter your password. Then click to go. Then you will be able to access your Dallas ISD Payroll account. To make sure that your password is correct, you can click to this eye icon here. And if you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to password help. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.